Hello, my name is Viviana Ureña and today I'm going to talk about the brain hemispheres and the function of each lobe. In the brain we have two hemispheres. We have the left hemisphere and we have the right hemisphere. So first we have the left hemisphere. This hemisphere handles the linguistic and logical brain and is associated with sequential, linear, intellectual, and analytical process. This hemisphere also is responsible for phonological processing, morphosyntax, and lexical retrieval. And in alphabetic languages like English, this hemisphere plays a key role in reading and mapping letters. Then we have the right hemisphere that manages attentional control, spatial orientation, abstract information, and is associated with creativity, emotion, and artistic skills. So, regarding the neuro-linguistic role, this hemisphere processes intonation, rhythm, and stress, and also detects pragmatic meaning, metaphor, and humor. We also have something called the corpus callosum, that is a white matter formed by more than 300 million nerve fibers that interconnect both hemispheres, the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere, and also the brain lobes. This corpus callosum also enables real-time integration. Now I'm going to talk about the brain lobes. And first we have the frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is located at the front of the brain, just behind the forehead. This is the largest area in the brain, and it is responsible for executive functions, voluntary movements, problem solving, and speech production. In this part of the brain, we have something called the Broca's area. So this Broca's area organizes grammar and sentence structure in the brain. Then we have the temporal lobe. This lobe is located near the ears and it processes auditory input and stores language in memory. Then in this part of this lobe, we have something called the Wernicke's area, which decodes spoken words and connects them to meaning. We also have a parietal lobe. This parietal lobe is located at the top rear of your head, behind of the frontal lobe, and above of the temporal lobe. This parietal lobe plays a crucial role in processing sensory information like touch, temperature, pain, and pressure, as well as spatial. This parietal lobe links visual data with language input, for example, map reading, and this lobe also processes grammar for spatial concepts. Finally, we have the occipital lobe that is located at the back of the brain. This lobe is in charge of processing visual information for word recognition and imagery. This occipital lobe also supports reading fluency by matching word shapes with pronunciation and meaning. In our brains, we also have something called cerebellum, and its main role in English as a foreign language it is pronunciation and fluency. And we also have the brain stem that is in this part, and its main role is breathing and alertness. So it is very important to study the human brain and its hemispheres as well as the lobes, because it helps us to understand how we learn and how we use a new language.